Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today's video is really different. Recently, how do I put this? I woke up and my husband and I decided to prepare. And we thought, how do we do it? So we started doing our homework. And we started watching some different channels on YouTube. For example, Prepper Nurse 1, Alaskan Prepper. We found some new channels by our younger generation, and we are so totally impressed with them. Happy Prepper, Yosemite Prepper, amazing kids, let me tell you. Learned a lot from them. Holy cow. I'm sitting at my pantry, and someone gave me the encouragement to do this. Thank you, Yosemite Prepper. Thank you. Well, I'm going to show you just a little bit of what my husband Sean and I have done. Pasta, mac and cheese, ramen. That's just a little bit. We've got about 14 boxes that we have put aside of pasta, 24 boxes of mac and cheese, 10 boxes of ramen. I have some iced tea mix, but that's not part of our preps. That's just, what we use. But here is our pantry. Excuse the mess. This is after 5-year-old nephew, 10-year-old niece, and 22-year-old son have gotten a hold of it. But this is what our pantry is like on the daily, okay? I do my grocery shopping once a month, but this is new to us. Over here is some canned beans that I bought. We have canna lily beans, black beans, and navy beans. The seltzer water, that's my weakness. I can't help it. And out here we have some of our water supply. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cases of water, and then we have one in the fridge. Now, I added everything all up, okay, with what I bought in July. 8 cases of water, all the beans, the canned beans, okay, the ramen, the mac and cheese, the pasta. We spent $55. Now that's not bad. It's really not, considering everything we got. I'm in my house. Don't judge. I haven't had a chance to clean the house yet. But I started prepping because, like I said, we woke up and we're starting to see what's really going on, okay? The shortage of the food supply, our grocery stores not being able to replenish the shelves and things like that. My garden over there in the corner. Hi. And yes, my stock of coffee, but I can't live without it. What can I say? But Sean and I wanted to prepare. Because, listen, none of us really know, okay? We don't know. And we're living in scary times, guys. We really, truly are. We're living in scary times. And are we fully prepared? No. I don't think any of us will really ever truly be fully prepared, okay? But statistics say that, say hi to my puppy. Hi, Penelope. We rescue and foster animals, so we have a lot. And that's another thing that we work on too, is food for our pets. We prepare for them as well, because they are defenseless. They cannot do this on their own without us. 95% of Americans do not have a 2-week supply of food and water to feed themselves and their families if we were to go into a total collapse. That is extremely scary. Your neighbor might not be able to feed themselves for 2 weeks. Think about that. 2 weeks without food, without water. What would you do knowing that your neighbor or even possibly a relative is starving? That scares the hell out of me. So Sean and I started to prepare just this month. And we only spent $55. Now, I know a lot of people are on a very, very strict budget. So are we. But $55 compared to starvation, I think I'm going to take that chance and spend the $55. We've mapped out a plan, and I'll show you that plan. I have it written down. Hang on. Now, please excuse my handwriting. It's very, very messy. It's literally like cursive and print all in one. But as you can see, I wrote down, and I got this from a video that Prepper Nurse 1 did last year. So thank you, Prepper Nurse 1, for doing this. He went into a grocery store called Save-A-Lot, and he showed like what the cheapest preps would be to buy, price-wise, quantity-wise, calorie-wise, things like that. Okay, and I wrote everything down, and then I added my own things. And what I did was, like, I put a check mark next to the ramen noodles, and I wrote that I bought it in July. Okay, then I went down, mac and cheese, put a check mark, wrote it down, bought it in July. Okay, pasta, check mark, bought it in July. Canned beans, check mark, bought it in July. Now for next month, because I'm not going to buy in bulk and do this all in once and say, okay, I'm done. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to hurt us financially, right? So August is coming. It's in 2 weeks. So I figured rice, right? Stuffing, because we love stuffing. And stuffing, really, what do? You add water, let it sit for 5 minutes, and it's done. Oatmeal, because we love to eat oatmeal in the morning. You know, the quick oats, what is it, like 1 or 2 minutes in the microwave? And then mashed potatoes, the ones that are in the box. So we'll do that for August. And we'll spend maybe another $50. And that's a lot of food for $50 for rice, oatmeal, mashed potatoes, and stuffing. Because a lot of stuff is less than $1. So that's our plan for August. And I don't want to scare anybody, but I just wanted to do this and show you what we're doing. And we have a good-sized garden going out there. And I'm planting more and more every single day. Because we don't know what's coming next, guys. We really don't. But I just want to thank the other channels that Sean and I watch all the time for giving us the courage to do this. But this is our list. And there's a lot of other things that other people are doing that we can't afford to do, but we can afford to do this. We can afford to do this. And if this is what we can afford to do, then I think we'll be okay. I really do. We can become self-sufficient. We may not be able to do like solar power, things like that. But I asked Sean, my husband, if he'll get me a food dehydrator for Christmas. And he said, yeah. So I'm really excited about that. And I've already been looking at prices for Mylar bags, 5-gallon buckets with those special lids that they twist on there a certain way to make sure everything stays fresh, and the oxygen absorber packs. And honestly, that's not going to break the bank either. He found a food dehydrator online for $55. That's not bad, because we'll be able to store chicken, because that's as far as it goes for eating meats for us. We don't eat red meat. So okay, that's all for this video. I know I went in a totally different direction, but I'm still going to be 99% with my gardening, with my videos. But this little 1%, this video, I just wanted to show you the other side. And that's all. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. I love you. Have a great day. Please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? Bye, guys.